Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create designs for sunglasses cases using our templates to upload into our Shopify app. First thing you need to do is to download the template. To do that, pop across to our website, find the product that you require, scroll down till you find the template section, and you'll see a brief overview of the size and resolution that you need to create. There's a link to download the template. Also, there's a video there showing you best practices on how to create a design. Also, at the bottom of the page, there are some free Photoshop mock-ups that you can use to create Facebook artwork or images for your website. And if you've not used product mock-ups before, there's a video there showing you how to use them. So once you've downloaded your template, open it up in your graphics program. I'm using Photoshop, but any program will do. First thing you'll notice is you get the image size, which is 1299 by 536 pixels at 200 dpi. And just remember, that's pixels and not millimeters. And also be aware that you have to create your designs for the app to exactly the right pixel size. When you're uploading, if you just one pixel off, then the app won't let you upload it. The reason for this is because on many of our products, we have to scale the designs across multiple product sizes. So we need it to be exact so we can get the best reproduction of your image for you. You'll also notice that we've got the blue area, which is what we refer to as the critical image area. Anything that you place in here on your design will definitely be printed. The red area is the bleed area, and this might not be printed. So just be aware, if it's something you want definitely printing, make sure it's in the blue area. Also note, when you're putting your image on here, make sure you fill up on the design template right to the edges of the red. Don't just bring your image here to the blue, you need it all the way to the edge, which is there. So here's a design that I created earlier. If we have a look at the image size on that, you can see I've created it to the template design. So if I copy that and paste that into the template, that should fit perfectly, and it does. If you want to check around the edges to see if you've lost any of your design or which parts may not be printed, if you come down to the layer, go to the opacity layer, just lower that down to about 40%, and that'll allow you to see which parts of the image could be lost when it's being printed. If you're happy with everything, make sure you pull the opacity back up to 100%, and then just save that as a JPEG and then upload into the app, and everything should go great for you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.